already open.
I think that one's better probably than this one. What is that?
I'm good.
Crypto.
Oh. No, that one.
Who even uses smartwatches? Can't even see when they're getting burned. Mines are already like.
All right, today we're gonna bring a fire pit. If you guys to see it, Fissfire. We're gonna open it up and set it up in here in our backyard and do a bonfire. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go. There you go. How about hot dogs? We don't have any hot dogs?
Oh yeah, do we have hot dogs? No, I don't think so.
Yeah, you're not gay, man.
Oh,
Latina. Good judge.
we don't have crackers either. You can wait for it to cool down. You want some icing?
I don't want well done.
You want regular?
Yeah.
Okay, well you guys have to eat off the plate, like.
When we get well, I don't want well done.
Okay,
We're inside the door. Not the one where you get the forks and stuff.
Ah, look at this, guys. With the air ventilations, plenty of air comes in, keeps the fire right in the center. Not that many ambers. Everybody's enjoying the heat. Extremely little hot around here, but it's a nice cold day. Everybody's enjoying the actual bonfire here. So hope you guys enjoy the video.